Welcome back to my channel Iraqi Dinar RV Historic Moment for Iraqi Dinar holders revaluation confirmed at $672 per IQD. If you've been patiently holding Iraqi Dinars, today marks a transformative milestone. This is not speculation or another hopeful rumor. It is a confirmed and historic financial event. As of today, May 2025, the Iraqi Dinar IQD is officially trading at $6.72 per unit. This incredible shift has sent shockwaves through the global financial system and turned long-time holders into potential millionaires overnight. This is a monumental breakthrough in the world of currency trading and a moment of validation for those who believed in Iraq's long-term recovery and economic potential. For years, the dinar community has weathered doubt, misinformation, and criticism. But now the tables have turned in a dramatic way, from pennies to power. Only a short while ago, the IQD was worth mere cents. Skeptics scoffed at the idea of Iraq's currency ever regaining strength. Many investors were labeled dreamers. But today, the IQD has soared beyond even the most bullish predictions. A valuation of $6.72 per dinar isn't just strong, it's historic. Consider the implications. If you hold just 1,000 IQD, you're now sitting on 6,520 USD. A 10,000 IQD bundle, once purchased for a small amount, now holds a jaw-dropping value of 67,200. Even a humble 250 IQD note, previously worth a few dollars, is now valued at over 1,680. These numbers aren't theoretical, they're live, reflected across major international Forex platforms. This is a real-time market shift backed by tangible economic developments in Iraq. The road to revaluation. This revaluation didn't occur by chance. Iraq's central bank and government have spent years restructuring the nation's economic foundation. From tightening fiscal policies to modernizing financial infrastructure, the effort has been relentless. Key elements of Iraq's turnaround include increased foreign reserves, reduction in corruption and smuggling, stronger control over monetary policy, diversified international trade agreements, reduced dependency on the US dollar. Agreements with nations like China, India, and the United States played a critical role in rebuilding Iraq's economic position. Modernization of banking systems and compliance with global financial standards helped Iraq regain investor confidence. As a result, Iraq isn't just recovering, it's thriving. The revaluation is a global signal that the country is ready to compete economically on the world stage. What should IQD holders do now? If you're holding Iraqi Dinar right now, this moment is both exciting and crucial. It's important to act wisely and protect your new wealth. Here's what you need to do next. 1. Contact your financial institution. Immediately reach out to your bank or licensed currency exchange provider. Some institutions may not yet reflect the updated rates in their systems, but many are already preparing to process IQD transactions. 2. Verify your notes. Ensure that your dinars are legitimate and authenticated. Work only with reputable, licensed professionals when exchanging your currency. 3. Understand exchange procedures. Banks and currency exchanges may have specific documentation requirements, such as identification, proof of purchase, or tax documentation. Be prepared for these steps. 4. Avoid scams. With the news going viral, expect an influx of fraud attempts. Do not share personal or banking information with unknown sources. If someone offers fast-track exchanges or seems too good to be true, steer clear. 5. Don't mail your currency. Never send your dinars by mail unless working with a verified, insured, and government-regulated service. Be strategic with your wealth. This moment is emotional and exhilarating, But it's also a time for careful planning. Your sudden increase in wealth brings opportunity and responsibility. Here's how to approach it. Diversify your investments. Don't pour all your funds into a single asset. Spread your wealth across stable areas like gold, real estate, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. Get professional advice. Consult a certified financial advisor to develop a long-term strategy. Consider tax implications, estate planning, and international regulations. Celebrate wisely. While this is a moment of celebration, it's also a time to plan ahead. Avoid reckless spending or rushed decisions. Plan for taxes. Depending on your country, there may be tax consequences related to your IQD profits. Consult with a tax advisor to stay compliant and avoid surprises. A global economic turning point. The IQD's surge has reverberated far beyond Iraq. Currency analysts are watching closely as this revaluation shifts dynamics across the Middle East and the global financial system. Investors are reassessing portfolios, Forex traders are reacting in real time, and central banks are re-evaluating exposure to Middle Eastern currencies. Experts had once speculated that the IQD might rise to $1.50 to $3 in a best-case scenario. Today's exchange rate of $6.72 has exceeded even the boldest forecasts. This isn't just a national win for Iraq, it's a worldwide financial moment. Economists now cite Iraq's strategy as a case study in recovery and resilience. The world is watching, and the message is clear. Iraq is back. Why it matters beyond the money. Beyond the immediate financial implications, this revaluation symbolizes hope, recovery, and national pride. After decades of war, sanctions, and instability, Iraq has emerged stronger. This transformation showcases what's possible when a nation commits to reform, transparency, and economic sovereignty. The revaluation is more than just a financial windfall, it's a moment of redemption. The critics have been silenced, the faithful have been rewarded, and the story of Iraq is being rewritten in real time. Caution and confidence, moving forward. While the moment is historic, don't let the excitement cloud your judgment. It's essential to stay grounded and informed. Monitor official updates. Keep an eye on verified Forex platforms and official government channels for the most current information. Be patient. Not all systems are updated at once. Some banks may require appointments or additional processing time. Avoid hype-based decisions. Stick to facts, not fear or frenzy. Make informed choices based on professional advice. Final thoughts. Today marks the beginning of a new era, not just for Iraq, but for everyone who believed in its recovery. The Iraqi dinar, now one of the highest valued currencies in the world, has stunned markets and rewritten economic forecasts. To all the IQD holders who held on through the ups and downs, this is your time. You showed faith, resilience, and patience, and now your belief is paying off in historic fashion. As the world recalibrates around this monumental shift, take a deep breath, stay sharp, and move forward wisely. This could be the beginning of generational wealth, not just for you, but for your family and community. Congratulations once again. History has been made, and you're a part of it.